I found it very, very easy to put on my head and feel like I look somewhat, you know, cute. So I definitely can recommend it. That I'm excited about because this is a unit that I picked up from one of my most favorite human hair wig manufacturers, and that's Nadula hair. I have gotten hair from them for years and I've never been disappointed. So I've been on the hunt for short bobs because it is getting so hot, and that's what I believe, if I remember right, that's what I ordered from Nadula. Look at that hairline, look at that part, look at the texture. Everything's been done for me. So it's short and easy. I knew I had to have it. Now I have another unit like this from Nadula, but it is more of a yakier texture. So I wanted to get one that wasn't as yaki, and this one definitely fit the bill. That texture is so pretty. As far as the cap construction goes, you get that 13x4 parting space. They've already attached two pre-everything tabs right there in the front for you. And then with the rest of the wig, you get that long comb in the back, you get some adjustable strips, and you get an adjustable glueless band. This wig equals easy. This wig is going to equal perfect for summer, spring. So I like this one. Let's put it on my head. This shouldn't take very long. I'm going to put this on my head. I'll give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Now breathe your head. Only can rescue me. This is my bread. If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to go to heaven. On this wig from Nadula, and like I said, I knew that this wig was going to be exactly what I'm looking for to beat the heat. It's just the right length, it's just the right density, it's just the right texture, and it's just the right price point. So this checked all the boxes in my book. This wig is also extremely beginner friendly. Y'all know I can't comb hair, and I found it very, very easy to put on my head and feel like I look somewhat, you know, cute. So I definitely can recommend it. If you look down in the description box, I'll put a direct link to this one as well as the details, because I think that this is a wig that would benefit anybody. And I think everybody, especially if you're a wig wearer, this is one that you definitely want in your wig arsenal as we get into these hotter months, right? Okay. Talk to me in the comments, tell me what y'all's thoughts are. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.